Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Land Rover Defender 110 3.0 D300 X-Dynamic HSE. Now, this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission, is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Carpathian grey metallic paint. To start off with, then you have your matrix LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 22-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels with a gloss black finish, really complementing against the Carpathian grey exterior colour. This car also features keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find a full-size spare alloy wheel, ideal for any occasion you may need it. And as we open up the boot, you can see that you have a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the ebony upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away to carry that fifth passenger. Moving to the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control. Taking a look at the dash, you can see this vehicle has done 28,016 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. You also have your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music. You also have your 4x4 information, weight sensing, and of course your terrain response drive modes. All these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on, ensuring that you always stay safe and comfortable throughout. Pairing with this to help furthermore is the off-road feature on the 360 view camera. Now, the 3D view can help you see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. The front seats in this vehicle are both heated and ventilated, ideal for those hot summer days as well as those colder winter ones. And pairing with this is a dual zone climate control, where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, ensuring that you always travel comfortably. This has been a presentation on the Land Rover Defender 110 3.0 D300 X-Dynamic HSE that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.